Over the past year, I've helped hundreds of people with Pectus Excavatum improve their conditions with my training. Out of all my clients who transformed their pectus this year, I've narrowed it down to 15 finalists for the best pectus transformation in 2023. And what I want you guys to do is watch this video, look at all their transformations, hear what they have to say, and then vote in the comments about who you think has the best transformation. So let's get right into it. In no particular order, the first transformation I want to share with you guys is my client called Bo.
Hey, what's up everyone? This is Bo, and I was on Riley's PectusPT program from December 2022 to December 2023. And I'd say when I started the program, physically, I was had a lumpy, skinny, fat guy body. After 1 year, I'm a lot leaner. I've lost 20 pounds, have more definition, especially my torso. That was one that I really struggled with before. Very satisfying to see that, and just a huge confidence booster. I feel like things like the yoga really help, where they get you kind of centered on your breathing and your movements and your posture and how you carry yourself. Those are just some of the things I've noticed and that I've come away with, and very appreciative of it. So thank you, Riley. It's a great program, well designed, can't recommend it enough. So thank you, bye.
Bo's transformation is incredible. Visibly insane how much better his body is and how much less noticeable his pectus is. People always comment on my videos saying it only works for mild pectus like yours, but Bo's is severe, and look how much better it looks. The next transformation I want to share with you is Corbin.
Hey, I'm Corbin. I'm 19, been on the program for almost a year now, part of the 2023 challenge. And I've loved the whole journey from start to, finish, even though, my personal journey isn't finished. I can't really explain what the transformation means to me other than, it's just been this huge confidence booster. I went from wearing hoodies and oversized t-shirts and, scared to take my shirt off to, wearing tank tops pretty much whenever I can. I've loved every part of the program, even on days where I didn't feel like doing anything. I felt exhausted, sore. I was like, I gotta keep going, gotta stick with it, and I'm glad I did. Super happy with the results so far, and I can't wait to see what next year's results are gonna be. Thanks, Riley.
One thing that I'd like to point out in his transformation when we look at his before and after is how much his pecs have been developed and his abs, and how much that really just helped to mask his pectus. The next transformation I want to share with you is Matthew.
Hi, my name is Matthew. I'm 43. I'm from the UK, and I've been on the program for about a year now. I've got a more severe case of pectus, and it's really affected me throughout my life. Probably been really anxious about my pectus since I was about the age of 13. The programs are brilliant, focusing on my pectus, but also on all aspects of my body as well. It really helped me with my form. I send in videos, and you'll send things back with some advice on how to do things properly straight away, so it's really good. He's also helped me a lot with my nutrition. While the program had a bit of a dad bod going on, so he's helped me work out what calories I should be eating the right foods. It's really helped me to lean out and get a more aesthetic look on my abs, which is something that I really wanted because I hated the way that I had a pot belly, so that's been really good for me. The stretching's really helped me correct my posture. My posture's so much better than it was before. The biggest challenge I probably have had to overcome this year is obviously taking my t-shirt off. So when I first went to the pool, I was covering my indent with my goggles, hiding it away because I was so scared of people looking at me. After a few weeks, I started to reduce holding my goggles in front of my pectus, and then I don't even hold it in front of my pectus anymore at all. I have my arms down and I'm not bothered anymore, and I talk to people as I'm getting into the pool, and I have chats with people, and it doesn't bother me anymore. Nobody looks at it, nobody cares about it, nobody's asked me about it, so it's probably been all in my head really. It's been really beneficial for me, the program. My pectus has really improved, abs are better, my rib flare is better, and I've also gained quite a few friends down the gym, so it's been really positive for my mental health and for my social life as well. I've got quite a good group of friends that I talk to each day in the gym, so yeah, I'd recommend it to anybody.
Now Matthew's condition is obviously very severe, so it's still quite noticeable, but it looks so much better and so much less noticeable than it did, and more importantly, it's given Matthew the confidence in himself, and it's given him the freedom to be able to take off his shirt without being petrified of what other people think. So I'm so proud of Matthew. Well done, mate. The next transformation I want to share with you is Carl.
It's Carl, about 9 months in, and I've seen the most amount of change in my chest and my rib flare But yeah, my confidence has gone up tremendously. People aren't commenting on my pectus or my rib flare. It's just about my progression and how much change I've made in the past 9 months. I just want to say thank you. It's been great. Yeah, this is just the beginning.
Carl still has a little bit of time left on the program, and I do think for him to finish his transformation the best will be when he cuts and shows a lean muscular physique. So he's put on a great foundation of muscle, but he's still got a bit of time to cut and reveal that really lean muscular physique. However, his transformation is still incredible, especially considering he hasn't had the full year like some of the other clients have, and he's obviously made his pectus look so much less noticeable. So well done, Carl. Next transformation is Adam.
My name's Adam. I'm 23 years old. I started the Pectus Challenge January of 2023, and it's been a great journey. I've greatly improved my pectus condition, gained a lot of muscle in my chest, shoulders, arms. The pectus doesn't bother me anymore. I've gained a lot of muscle around those areas, and I'm now very proud of my physique that I've worked hard for. And having the program with Riley on it, I can message him about anything. He's super helpful, always responds pretty much right away. And having him tailor the workouts to my needs and my body types, I'm confident in the lifts I'm doing, and I'm confident that it's improving my pectus, and it's worked for me. It's greatly improved my body physique to a whole new level. I have a lot more confidence now. Pectus doesn't bother him anymore, and it's now a lifestyle I have. If you guys are thinking about joining, I'd recommend you do it. I was on the fence for a while. I joined and it worked. I tried other workouts before, but I never had success like I did with Riley's program.
Really, really impressive transformation from Adam. The next transformation is Isaac.
Hey, my name is Isaac. I started off with Riley's program last year in October. When I started, I was really thin. My pectus was really severe, and now it has changed completely. I have gone up almost 2 sizes in t-shirts and sweaters. My weight is completely different, and my muscles, I get so much compliments from friends, family, on my arms, on my chest, on how I changed this year, and I'm so grateful for this. It's the best decision I have ever made. Just want to keep going now. I have so much motivation to just keep the ball rolling, and I'm also starting on the weight bell now, so my motivations has never been better.
But with Isaac, his pectus is a very severe case. I'm so proud of him for what he's done, the transformation he's achieved. He truly has made his pectus look so much better, and he's built so much confidence in himself. Well done, Isaac. The next transformation is another client called Matthew K. The other Matthew was Matthew N.
Hey, I'm Matt. I'm just turned 22 and I've been on Riley's program for 6 months now. And the change I've noticed in those 6 months has been awesome. My chest is looking a lot better, a lot bigger. Same with my arms, they're looking a lot more toned as well. My posture has improved tenfold. I'm starting to get compliments from friends and families about how much better I'm looking. In the gym, I'm doing exercises and compound movements such as deadlifts and squats that I would have been way too scared to do before, but now not only am I doing them, but I'm lifting such high weights than what I thought I could actually do, which is such an awesome feeling. The program's also been incredible for my mental state. I just feel a lot more self-disciplined, a lot more self-motivated. This program has been awesome in just 6 months, and I'm super excited to see what another 6 months does.
It's a very incredible transformation. He should be very proud of it. So well done, Matthew K. The next transformation is Lewis.
Just want to say I'm really happy. I'm really proud of myself. I'm really happy with your support and the program itself. For many years I went to the gym, but with no results because I was not eating enough and I was not pushing myself. At that point I wasn't fixing my pectus because I was not, like you said, I was not working the right way, like to fix pectus. So I was getting bigger, I was getting muscle, but it also made my pectus in some way like more visible. Your program was like a really shift in how I should work out. Right now with the program is really what you need. My suggestions for everybody, if they're looking for a trainer, Riley is the right person. He knows what you need, and if you can try to do this on your own, but the program really helps a lot. Thank you, Riley.
The next transformation I want to share with you is Chris.
So I signed up for the PectusPT program after turning 40. After a lifetime of going to the gym myself, randomly lifting weights with absolutely no results, I'd kind of got to a point in my life where I'd given up and I'd become used to having a body that I wasn't proud of at all. I'm now in month 5 and I'm really enjoying the program, but I'm learning new things all the time in terms of how to make my pectus look much better. And I started getting results at around week 6. I think as soon as you start getting results, it really prompts you to keep going. I stick to the regime as much as I possibly can. I haven't missed a workout, I haven't missed a stretch. I do the yoga, and the way you feel after the workouts is amazing. But nothing beats looking at before and after pictures of you and seeing the change that is happening. The changes come quite quickly as long as you throw yourself into it and you're really disciplined. My confidence has grown a lot. I've got a lifetime of hating my body still to shed, so it will take time for me to become really body confident, but I can say it's definitely growing and I'm loving the results that I'm getting so far. And I can't wait to see how my body looks at the end of the program. So thank you so much, Riley, for the program you've designed.
Now, Chris actually didn't sign up with me at the start of the year, so this is only from a handful of months, which is even more impressive. He's built so much muscle, he's been really disciplined, like basically 100% compliance to the nutrition, the training and the stretching, and hence why his results are so incredible in a shorter time frame than some of these other clients. And the next transformation is Lee. He's in a similar boat. He's actually had less time than Chris. He's only had like 3 months and his transformation is crazy.
This is Lee here. Where do I start, man? 3 months ago, I was in the worst shape of my life. Knew I needed a change. I owed it to my wife. I owed it to my 4 children. Got to doing some research online, found PectusPT. Saw the results on your page, thought I'd give it a shot, set up the call. Man, what can I say? The results in 3 months have been phenomenal. Your hard work and dedication to this program is evident. It's changing the lives of people around the world. I'm now in the best shape of my life. I'm eating healthy, I'm getting better sleep at night, and I owe it all to you, brother. Thank you for coming into my life. Thank you for making such a change, and I look forward to the rest of the time on the program. Take care.
The next transformation I want to share with you is Michael T.
Hi, my name's Mike from Minnesota. Joined the program at the end of May in 2023. Going in, my goals were to get healthier body, put on muscle and feel great in my own skin, Program's fantastic. Riley shows everything you need, answers all the questions quite quickly, even for being online. Even only being in the program for 5 months, my goals I even put in went farther than I could ever imagine. I'm more fit, a lot healthier. My confidence went way up. And, just feeling great in my own skin after putting all that muscle on. If you're looking to join, I'd highly recommend it.
The next transformation I want to share with you is Walter.
Hey guys, my name is Walter. I'm 20 years old and I started the Pectus program with Riley about a year ago. It made me insecure because I never really thought that there was a way to fix the problem, so I'd just be in my own head about it. I wanted to make a change, so I went on YouTube, I went around, looked for a few videos, and it wasn't until I found Riley's videos where I started to have hope in the fact that I could change my Pectus. So I got on a call with him because I felt that his program would best suit me. I would get to a point where I would feel confident, and I cannot say anything else because that is exactly what happened with this program. I would highly recommend this program to anybody who's struggling with Pectus Excavatum, and I feel extremely comfortable taking my shirt off, and I couldn't ask for anything more with this program, so I would highly recommend. Thanks, Riley.
The next transformation I want to share with you is Michael D.
Hi, I'm Michael DeVito. I'm more confident. Physical activity is easier. I definitely recommend Riley's program. Do it, you'll see the results.
Okay, the next transformation I want to share with you is Jake. Now, this is his before and after in the year of training. So from the start of 2023 to now. He's actually been a client with me for 2 years though. And when he first signed up, he was just after he got the NUS procedure.
I've been using Riley's program for over a year now, and the program has just been amazing. The app is very simple to use. I'm able to watch videos on every exercise in my workout, easily track my stats, and upload videos to Riley so he can critique my form. And Riley has just been awesome. His comments are so motivating, and it helps me to stay consistent in my workouts. My transformation has given me the self-confidence to be able to take my shirt off and feel good about myself. It takes a lot of hard work, but the results are unbelievable.
He is looking so ripped. I'm so proud of him. He loves working out. He always sends me videos, so I check his form and things, and we interact almost daily, which is what you all can do. You all can send me videos of your form. If you're going to be voting for Jake to make it fair for the other clients, obviously I want you to be voting from his transformation, which was at the start of the year, to now, because everyone else's transformation that you're seeing is a year maximum, and some of them are only a couple months. Okay, and now the last client is Harry.
I've been training about 7 months now. Feel more confident in myself. I've just got way more energy. I feel more motivated to kind of keep pushing every day. I've seen pretty amazing results so far, going from 70 to 78 kilo in those 7 months. And just overall kind of feeling in a good place right now. I knew because of my chest that conventional workouts weren't going to be that efficient for me. That's why I wanted to work with Riley. And I'm just so grateful that I did do that, because everything has improved since joining him.
They are the 15 finalists for the 2023 Pectus Transformation Challenge. I'm going to put in a quick photo montage of all 15 so you can see their transformation side by side, and then I want you to vote for who you think has the best Pectus transformation in 2023. I hope this was inspiring for you guys. I hope this made you realize, wow, you can elicit such a powerful change. And I think the cool thing about this video is there's clients who are in their 40s, 30s, 20s, teens. There's clients from the UK, Australia, America, all over the world. So it doesn't matter where you are, it doesn't matter how old you are, it doesn't matter if your pectus is severe like Bo's or milder like Corbin's. Either way, you still have pectus, it's still getting you down, and you still want to make a change, and you can make an amazing change. And all of these clients have achieved that, and I'm very proud of all of them. And so that should motivate you, regardless of your age, regardless of your pectus that you have, you can make a change too. So if you do want to take part in the 2024 Pectus Transformation Challenge, I am taking on clients for that now. If this is getting you down, why not make overcoming your pectus a goal in 2024? And why not make it achievable with my training? Because you know it's going to work. Just look at these guys' results. Look at my other hundreds of clients' results. I've been doing this for almost a decade now. So I know what I'm doing. I know how to help people. I am the world's only pectus specialized trainer, and I would love to coach you. If you are interested, go to my website. You can learn more about it. So fixpectus.com, read about it, and then apply. And I look forward to meeting you and coaching you soon.
I just finished editing this, and honestly, it made me get pretty emotional, because I know how much having pectus sucks, guys, and like, it's pretty cool to actually be able to help, you guys like make it look so much better and gain confidence in yourself. Hearing Matthew Ann's story about, not taking his shirt off when he went to the pool for the swimming in the program, to then eventually not caring, is really cool. So that's why I do it. So super stoked to be able to help you all. And yeah, I mean, if you're in that boat, you're feeling self-conscious with your pectus and you want to improve it in 2024, then I'd love to help you. Also, don't forget to vote for who you think has the best transformation out of all these legends. I'm so proud of all 15 of you. In my opinion, you're all winners. But yeah, for you guys, if you can just vote for who you think's transformation was the most significant to you in the comments, that'd be awesome. Thanks, guys.